So this is the BlackBerry Key 2 LE, the pretty much latest BlackBerry you can get right now. 4G, 4.5-inch screen, 1620 by 1080, octa-core Snapdragon 636, dual camera, 3000 mAh battery, Android. Let's see what we get in the box. Was not expecting this to show up today. So I said a box. Oh, it's one of these magnet boxes. So there's the device. What do we get for accessories? SIM tool. The warranty papers no one ever reads, so I'm not going to read that. Looks like a set of headphones. I wonder how good those will sound. Charging adapter, and this is a... what is the rating on this? Does not say. Oh, it looks like it is a quick charge. 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, or 12 volt 1.5 amps. That's pretty good. USB-C cable. Oh, what's this? Ear tips, adjustable ear tips. That's nice. Set that aside for now. Get a look at the device. Is screen protector on it. Non-removable battery cover. Okay. I guess someone tried to remove the battery cover and probably damaged their phone. So got some peel here. So it is a plastic body. This side, nothing except the SIM tray. I got a mappable, programmable button for whatever, unlike the Bixby button on Samsung phones. Power button, volume rocker, USB-C port, headphone jack. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it's charged. Looks like it might be completely dead. Unless... boot time is a bit long. Perhaps it's just the first boot. Well, that is quite the boot time. Oh, it's probably gonna bother me about the SIM. Let's see. Is there a English Canada? There's English. Yes, there is English Canada. Skip the SIM. I'm gonna start new. Gonna connect to the matrix. Don't need to see my password. It's probably going to update now and take forever. It does need to be charged. Hopefully this doesn't cut the camera out. Okay, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to blur that email address out. Try the fingerprint scanner. Oh. that seems to work pretty good. Takes a while to register one thumbprint though, that's for sure. As I'll add the other one. Do sometimes accidentally hit the spacebar when you're using the scanner. I'll set that up later so it doesn't trigger people's Googles. No, don't do that. Install and update. I guess we have to agree to the terms no one ever reads. No, don't do that, no. Sure. No. Organize your space, pop-up widgets, apps, productivity tab. So your calendar, easy access to settings and certain apps. You just have to allow it, access everything. Shortcut keys. It's got quite a lot of icons on the main screen. Probably end up removing all those. What do we got for bloatware? Some BlackBerry apps. Built-in Firefox browser. Otherwise, not much. What is it downloading? Let's check for software updates, actually. I don't know if it updated. It says it is updated. Oh, no, it is downloading a 2 GB system update. But yeah, overall, feels pretty good. I guess we can see how this case works. It's a carbon fiber thin case. Let's see here. Oh, maybe it was better to put that side in first. It's definitely a very slim case, gives it a bit of protection. Doesn't add a whole lot of thickness. I don't know what Locker is. Downloading updates, Google Store, Fair. But yeah, I mean, the keyboard may take a little while to get used to, but cut that part out. Oops, apparently just opened something up. But yeah, overall, it seems to be a pretty cool looking device. That's about it for this unboxing.